Mathematics is a place where you can do things which you cannot do in the real world. Best shortcut and tricks on surds and indices, useful for banking, SSC, railway. Just solve in 5 seconds. Don't miss the class. Let's start. Today is the second class for indices and surds. Question 1. Square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 20 till infinity. To solve this question, there are two methods, method 1 and method 2. First, we will go for method 1. In method 1, first we will find the factor of 20. So, we will first write 20 is equal to 1 into 20. 20 is equal to 2 into 10, 20 is equal to 4 into 5, 20 is equal to 5 into 4, 20 is equal to 10 into 2, 20 is equal to 20 into 1. Among these, we will choose two factors whose difference is 1. So, I can take 5 into 4 is equal to 20 and the difference between 5 and 4 is 1. So, the exact answer is the bigger number among these two numbers and the bigger number is 5. So, square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 20 till infinity, the answer is 5. Method 2. Square root of 4a plus 1 whole by 2. In this question, here a is 20. We will replace a by 20. Square root of 4 into 20 plus 1 whole by 2. So, 20 into 4, 80. 80 plus 1, 81. So, we have square root of 81 plus 1 whole by 2. And we know that square root of 81 is 9. So, 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2 equal to 5. So, the square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 20 till infinity, the answer is 5. Question number 2. Square root of 20 minus square root of 20 minus square root of 20 till infinity. For this question, first step is to find the factor of 20. So, we can write 20 is equal to 5 into 4. So, we have taken the factor as 5 and 4 and the difference should be 1. This is the most important point. So, 5 minus 4 is 1. Now, we will choose the small number, that is 4. So, the square root of 20 minus square root of 20 minus square root of 20 till infinity, the answer is 4. Method 2, the formula is square root of 4a plus 1 minus 1 whole by 2. In this question, we have a as 20. So, we will replace a by 20. So, 4 into 20 plus 1 minus 1 whole by 2. So, we are getting here 20 into 4, 80, 80 plus 1, 81. Square root of 81 minus 1 whole by 2. And we know that square root of 81 is 9. So, 9 minus 1 by 2 equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. So, the square root of 20 minus square root of 20 minus square root of 20 till infinity, the answer is 4. Question number 3. Square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6 till infinity. Our first step is to find the factor of 6. We can write 6 is equal to 3 into 2 and 3 and 2 are two factor of 6 and the difference is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, the answer is the bigger number. Okay. So, the square root of 6 plus square root of 6 till infinity, the answer is 3. Question number 4. Square root of 12 plus square root of 12 till infinity. This question is for your practice. Now tell me what you do. What is the first step? Our first step is to factorize 12. 4 into 3. The factor of 12 is 4 and 3. The difference is 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 4. Did you got it? Question number 5. Square root of 12 minus square root of 12 minus square root of 12 till infinity. We will find the factor of 12. So 12 is equal to 4 into 3. The factor is 4 and 3 and the difference is 1. Since the question having minus sign, so we will consider the small value. So answer is 3. Question number 6. Square root of 5 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 5 till infinity. The first step is to find the factor of 5, that is 1 and 5. And the difference is 4, not 1. So method 1 is not applicable here. We will follow method 2. So what is method 2? The formula is square root of 4a plus 1 whole by 2. And here a is 5. So we will replace a by 5. 4 into 5 plus 1 by 2. So we are having here 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So square root of 21 plus 1 whole by 2. This is the answer. Question number 7. Square root of 7 minus square root of 7 minus square root of 7 till infinity. We know that the first method is to find the factor of 7, and that is 1 and 7. The difference is 6. But method 1 says that the difference should be 1. So in this question, we cannot follow method 1. We will follow method 2. And the formula is square root of 4a plus 1 minus 1 whole by 2. Here a is 7. So replace a by 7. 4 into 7 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. 28 plus 1, 29 minus 1 whole by 2. So the answer of square root of 7 minus square root of 7 minus square root of 7 till infinity is square root of 229 minus 1 by 2. Question 8 and 9 are the practice questions. You try yourself. Okay, we will go to next type of question. Now we have type 2 question. Question number 10. Square root of 5 into square root of 5 into square root of 5 till infinity. The answer will be 5. Whatever number is given in the question, that is the answer. Number 11. Square root of 8 into square root of 8 into square root of 8 till infinity. The answer is 8. The remaining 12 and 13 you can try yourself. This is a practice question. Now we have type 3 question. Question number 14. Square root of 5, square root of 5, square root of 5, square root of 5. 5 is 4 times. And the formula is a to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n. Here a is 5. So replace a by 5. 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4. N is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 to the power 1 minus 1 by 16. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 5 to the power 16 minus 1 by 16. So 5 to the power 15 by 16 is the answer. Question number 15. Square root of 7, square root of 7, square root of 7, square root of 7, square root of 7. 7 is 5 times. And the formula is a to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n. Here a is 7. 7, 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 5. 7 is 5 times. 7 to the power 1 minus 1 by 32. Now solve it. 32 minus 1 by 32. So 7 to the power 31 by 32 is the answer. Question number 16 and question number 17 is your practice question. You try yourself. Now we have type 4. Question number 18. Square root of 248 plus square root of 52 plus square root of 144. We will start from right side. So square root of 144. Do you know? That is equal to 12. So write here 12. Now add 52 plus 12. We are getting 64. Now in next step, we are having 248 plus square root of 64, that is equal to 8. So 248 plus 8, we are having 256, and that is equal to 16. Question number 19, 20 and 21 is your practice question. Do yourself. If you have any queries, write in the comment. Thank you for watching my video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.